What's poppin'? It's your boy Moses. As you can see here, Barrigon is warming up some tortillas. I was invited over to his location to try his new taco, the Cali Taco right here. This thing right here. Boy, let me tell you, this thing right here, man. I got a lot of things to say about it, but this thing right here, just take a look at it. It's a beauty. He's also finishing up some shrimp fries with some chipotle sauce, freaking delicious. You're gonna see later down the road. He's putting the Cali Taco on a tortilla right there. It's a beautiful thing. That's a Chicharron taco right there. So this is the setup. This basically I ate all of this, maybe an extra taco or two. It's all part of the review. I do this for the people. I do this for the people, not because I'm a complete huge glute fat boy, but well that too. But Chicharron taco right there. That one looks beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. He just has that touch, man. This boy's good. Like, give it up for everybody going. Frying some fries here. You know that's why they're called fries because you got to fry them. We got a Coca-Cola here and a Michelob Ultra, so I don't feel guilty later about drinking beer. Here I am, clearing the palate with that Ultra, flipping the hat back, which means I'm completely serious. I'm a professional, guys. Do not try this at home or on the streets. Professionals only. All right, here I go. I'm about to start first with the Cali Taco, but the professional move right here, eat the chile first. You know what I'm saying? You gotta clean the first. You clear the palate, then you set it up. And here's this humongous, beautiful bite of the Cali Taco. Half a taco in one bite. That's right. Professionals only. Look at me contemplating life right there with that bite. Jesus Christ, is so good. She thought I wanted chile. She's trying to poison me and make my butthole burn later. But nope, I just needed a napkin because that's like too much of a big bite. And anyone who has a mini man out there or women who has a beard understands how much napkins are important when you eat tacos or anything else. Second bite, I loved it. The new Cali Taco for me gets a 9.9 out of 10. It is just almost perfection. I mean, I'm not sure what else could be better than that, but I'm gonna give it 9.9. Here I am getting excited as fat boys do when there's more food on the plate. Look at the crisp on that tortilla. This is a governor taco, the Gobernador a lo Schwarzenegger, also known as a Gobernador, which is just governor in Spanish. This is where I'm really contemplating life. I've been trying to hit the gym and lose weight, and I'm trying to figure out if this is actually worth it or not. Do I look fat in this camera angle? I don't know. But should I just keep eating more tacos or go to the gym and get on a diet? I'm not too sure, man. Looking in the camera, how fat do I look right now? But let me take a drink of this low carb beer to make myself feel a little bit better about myself. But then I decided, no, you know what? I'm just gonna eat more, and I'm gonna go for the deep fried thing. So this is a chicharron, which just means like I guess a pork rind is a chicharron, but crispy fish, deep fried fish taco, also a slapper. The Governor Taco, I give it a 9.2. It's one of my favorite things on his menu, so it's kind of hard to pick anything else. The Chicharron Taco, the Chicharron was perfect, but as you can see, if you zoom in, the tortilla wasn't. I like mine's a little bit burnt with the black spots on it. This wasn't. It was a little bit too raw or rare for me. So I'm gonna give this one a 7.1. If the tortilla next time, I gotta ask him to make it a little bit more crispy. Adding a little bit of hot sauce. Like I said, I like spicy food. That's just me. And then at the end, we closed it off with the shrimp fries. And let me tell you, these fries are delicious. I hate going to places, especially like seafood places, and they do fries, and some people just can't do fries. And you would think it would be simple, but no, fries are actually pretty hard. So he deep fried them perfectly, offered some to her, but she said no. She said, "You eat them, you fat piece of shit. Just eat them, you fat boy. You know you want to eat them." I'm like, "You're right, I do. That's facts." I said that. You can read my lips. I said that's facts. Also delicious. I give the fries an 8.4. The cheesecake, fresh, thick. Actually, in person, it's way bigger. This camera doesn't do it justice, but that boy's thick. It's a thick boy, just like me, with the fresh strawberry on top. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Stay tuned for more stuff.